Final inspection is the last quality checkpoint before garments are shipped. It verifies if they meet a BIMT, confirm the style and PO details. Next, check packing list and carton.
Verify the total order quantity. Select inspection samples randomly. Check the carton condition and markings. Verify garment folding and packing. Perform a close-up fabric inspection. Check for holes. Review shade and color consistency. Compare panel size to size shades. Finally, take the measurement tape and specification sheet.
Measurement is one of the most important parts of final inspection. Every critical point must be checked against the approved specification and tolerance. Measurement.
Check stitch density and seam construction. Garments must match the approved standard. Garments must pass metal detection.
Always follow the buyer's approved measurement specification and tolerance.
Starting the workmanship check. Inspect for broken or skipped stitches. Check for any open seams or puckering. Next, determine the stitches per inch. Ensure proper thread trimming and edge construction.
Starting step 8, we must verify all trims and accessories. Inspect every rivet and snap for placement and scratches. Test the zipper function for smooth operation. All components must meet standard. Starting step 8, we must verify all trims and accessories. Inspect every rivet and snap for placement and scratches. Test the zipper function for smooth operation. All components must meet standard. Step 9 requires a complete label and tag check. All hang tags and barcodes must match the approved documents. Any error here is a serious issue.
Position and artwork look accurate, no cracking. Check the thread density and loose threads. Stitches look good. Final comparison with approved artwork. Approved. Starting step 11 for wash and finishing. We check shade, hand feel, and consistency. Look at the whiskers, sanding, and grinding. These create that desired 3D effect. We compare it with the approved sample.
Safety checks must follow the buyer's specific requirements and applicable standards.
First, we ensure the correct folding method. Inspect the polybag for correct size. Check the barcode and warning label. Place the packed garment into the carton. Fill according to the specified quantity.
Step 14. Check the size-wise arrangement. Verify the correct color and ratio with no mixed colors. Compare the carton ratio with the packing instructions.
We begin by checking the gross and net weight. Next, we verify the packing list details. Finally, we compare the contents directly. Critical defects create safety or legal risks. They are generally not acceptable. Major defects include open seams and broken zippers. Minor defects can be small, loose threads.
AQL is a statistical sampling method to determine sample size and acceptance criteria. Step 18. Completing the inspection report. Critical details like quantity and measurements are recorded. Defect photos and findings are attached.
If inspection fails, corrective action or rework may be required, followed by reinspection according to the agreed procedure. A successful final inspection ensures that the garments meet the buyer's approved requirements. This covers quality, measurement, workmanship, packing, and compliance before shipment.